Put your first name or last name in the box next to Find. Patron Names box needs to stay on Patron Names. You shouldn't need to do anything to this box. Put your first or last name in this box. Find your name on the list and click the blue letters. Did you know that many students had your name in this school? Look for your picture. Is it you? Be sure to scan the front of the book. The barcode on the back is for the store. The barcode on the front is for the library. If you get a red box like this, you need to try again. You should see the title of the book and a picture of the cover. Please be sure to click Reset when you have scanned the books. Now the screen is ready for the next person. You can read a book or go to Makerspace if there is enough time. Happy reading!